Gold and silver finally today gave a little breakout, and see after 1715 it has achieved 1727 just few minutes back. At the same time silver too has achieved the resistance at 1840 and reversed since then. Now what is going to happen today, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Do not commit this mistake. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Next update on gold will be up before the US cash session. Do watch that also. Let's start the day. First we'll look into gold, followed with silver, and do watch till the end. Now look at the hourly charts. On the hourly charts you can find out after consolidating for a while, it has tried to give you a breakout here, and see it is trading outside the Bollinger. Gold is trading outside the Bollinger Bands. The Bollinger Bands width was narrowed, and now with a sharp move the width must be widened with the next candle. It is trying to come back within this zone, but see it is just a pullback. And remember, till the time it trades above this zone, that is 1712, I will not recommend you to go short. Till the time it trades above 1712, we can still expect it to bounce back and remain bullish. At the same time, I will rather recommend you to go short only if you see it trading below 1710. So go short below 1710, and till the time it trades above 1710, we can still expect it to remain bullish. Now this is on the hourly charts also. The directional movement was extremely bullish, now trying to converge from here. Stochastic is overbought, trying to cool down a bit. The MACD is wide, divergent and bullish. This is just two candles apart. RSI has hit overbought levels, now trying to look downwards on the hourly charts. Also on the 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, it has seen a high and it is trying to get a pullback again on the downside. The pivot or support levels at 1710 are very strong. Only and only if you see it trading below 1710, you can go short. Still below 1710, you can expect 1708, 1705 as a very good support, and then 1700. Below 1700 you can expect it to drop a little, then 1695, and below that we may see a crash. I have always told you 1695 is the level you should watch out for this week. If you see any point of time gold trading below 1695, remain short. Directional movement is bullish. It is trying to converge a bit. Stochastic comfortable. The MACD is divergent and it is still bullish here. The RSI has hit a high, now trying to drop a little. Also on the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour chart, see after few green candles yesterday, complete consolidation. In fact, the US cash markets were closed yesterday, and now see it has created a base at 1710 and it is trying to give you a bullish breakout. So for the day it appears it is good to remain long till the time it trades above 1710, and then possibly we can expect it to rise again till towards 1725, 1730 levels. Be watchful of this level. Only short entries below 1710. In fact, below that you can expect 1708, 1705 and 1700 till 1695. It has got very strong support. Only dropping below 1695, I'll recommend you to further remain bearish. Till the time you need to trade with the stop loss. See divergent. This is the directional movement. Stochastic is comfortable at the median. The MACD is divergent and bullish. The stochastic RSI is looking upwards, indicating bullishness here on the 3-hour charts as well. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts too, see it was trading with lower highs, higher lows, and this is the breakout candle. I expect that this breakout may remain or may continue, and possibly we can see a little bullishness, but then if it breaks below 1710, the bullishness will get diminished and we'll enter into bear zone. I was expecting that it must give a double top, but it has gone beyond this, and in fact it has achieved a high. I will be cautious at around 1720 again. If it breaks beyond 1720, sustains above 1720, you can go long again. So in between 1710 and 1720, we should not take any position. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is flat and comfortable there. MACD is trading continuously green and it is divergent now. RSI is looking upwards and it is little bullish now. On the daily charts, to see gold has completed the journey till here and it has completed this retracement. Now one should watch for even only bearishness one can expect. I am telling you again, is below 1710, and yes, this is the level at around 1713. below which you can expect little bearishness, but the ultimate bearishness is below 1710, below which you can expect 1705, 1700 and 1695 levels as the support. So only short entry is confirmed. Also till the time it trades above 1713, you can expect that it may remain bullish again. Just watch out for 1720. Beyond that you can again buy and expect it to rise for 1725, 1730 levels. Now directional movement is bearish, willing to converge here on the daily charts. Stock IST has come out of the oversold zone, trading comfortable here. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge here, and RSI has seen a bottom, trying to bounce back from here. Considering this, for the day, only short entry is below 1710. With the stop loss at 1713, you can remain long. Be watchful of 1713 and 1710 zone. Do not trade in between 1710, 1713. Downside levels, I have always told that 1705, 1700, 1695, these three levels you should watch out for. And below that one can remain short for, if it breaks 1695, we can remain short for the rest of the week. On the upside, for the day, till the time it trades above 1713, 1712, you can expect, you can remain long with the stop loss at 1713 or 1712, rather I will say 1712. You can remain long. One can expect it to rise again for 1720, 1725, and in fact this can further rise. How far this can go? This can come back till towards 1730. This is a good resistance there, and beyond that 1730, 1740 and 1745. I'll be watchful of 1740 levels specifically and 1745. These two are stronger resistance for gold to pass by. I will be cautious here. I think 1725-30 zone is going to provide a little resistance for the day. Beyond that, we may see 35-40 levels also. And then 1745, the ultimate resistance. Be watchful. One can remain long till the time it trades above 1713. This is very clear. So I am closing the gold analysis with this. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, if you also want to learn the art of reading the charts, and if you want to master the trade profitably, where you can trade with conviction, confidence and profits, you can join my mentorship batch. The methodology and strategies taught will definitely help you become a profitable and proficient trader. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. This is a 15-day session, 90 minutes daily. It's a live session and you will get a lifetime technical support also. Do reach out to me for more details. Also, you can become a patron. The patron pass link is mentioned in the channel and video description also. There you will get all the updates on gold's movement and the signals out there. Now look at the hourly charts for silver. See the breakout and the retracement. So it is giving you highs which are very well connected. Now 1840, I have, those who watch me regularly, I have told you multiple times, 1820, 1840, 1820, 1840. Only if it breaks past 1840, you can expect that we may see 1850 as the next resistance, and beyond that silver is going to enter into little bullish territory. Now see here, it is trying to reverse. It has seen a high at 1840 and it is trying to reverse from there. Now you have to watch out for 1820 only bearishness. One can confirm if it draws below 1820, one can expect 1815, 1810 as a strong support, and below that it is going to crash again. So in between 1820 and 1840, do not trade. That is very clear. Directional movement is extremely divergent. It is trying to converge a little. Stock IST is overbought now, looking downwards from here on the early charts. MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is overbought now, looking downwards from here on the hourly charts. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, see higher lows, lower highs, trying to consolidate in between. So do not trade between 1820, 1840. Yes, below 1820 you can expect it to drop, then 1815 levels, and which is a very strong support now, 1815 and 1810. If it breaks below 1810, you can expect that it is going to hit 1800, the next target, and below that it may drop. Above 1840, yes, 1850 is the resistance, and 1860, these two levels you should watch out for. Beyond 1860, we can see it flying for 1880, 1900 levels. If not today, then probably tomorrow or this week itself. Directional movement bullish, trying to converge. Stock IST entering into overbought levels. The MACD divergent and bullish. RSI has seen a high, now looking downwards. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts likewise, it has given a breakout. Look at this. This is a consolidation zone in which it is traded since so far. Now it is trying to give you a breakout, and the breakout has also got a resistance at 1840. So yes, till the time it trades above 1820, one can remain long on silver, and once it drops below 1820, and rather I will say yes, 1820 is going to be a definitely very strong resistance for the day, only sustaining below 1820 and 1818 levels. You can expect that we may see 1815, which is the next support level. Below 1815, it is going to drop more than 1810, 1800, which is a very good support, and below that it may. The directional movement is divergent and it is bullish. Stochastic comfortable. The MACD is still divergent and is still bullish. RSI is looking upwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, likewise on the 4-hour chart, this is a breakout here. It was consolidated so far and now it is giving a breakout, and you should watch out for till the time it trades above 1820. One can remain long 1830, 1840, 1850 levels. It can see 1840 is a good resistance, then 1850 and 1860 are a good resistance. Beyond 1860 it will fly for 1880, 1900 also is possible. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic is near to top. MACD divergent and bullish. RSI looking upwards. And if you look at the daily chart, also on the daily chart, similar is the position. See, first thing is lower highs and higher lows, and this is consolidated. Now trying to trade with a little rise. Support there at 1820 is going to be strong. With the support at 1820, it is trying to rise, but then 1840, 1850 and 1860, these levels you should watch out for. Beyond that, it will act extremely bullish. Beyond that, we can again expect it to hit 1880, 1900 levels, but this may try to confine its movement between 1820 and 1840. The directional movement is bearish. It is trying to converge. The stochastic was oversold. Now it has come out of the oversold zone, trading comfortably. The MACD is still though on the sell side, and it is trying to converge hard and trying to cross over for a bullish move. RSI has come out of the oversold positions. Considering this, for the day till the time it trades above 1820, one can remain long, but the next resistance is at 1840. You should watch out for. Rather, do not trade in between 1820 and 1840. Below 1820, you can again expect 1810 and 1800 as a very strong support, and it can bounce back. So larger trading zone, if it tries to swing, is between 1800 and 1840. If it fails to drop below 1820, it can again get a resistance at 1840, and once it breaks past 1840, you can expect 1850 is the target, 1860 is the target, and beyond that it will fly for 1880, 1900 levels. On the downside, if it breaks below 1800, we can expect a stronger drop, which might try to take it till towards 1780 levels, which is going to be a good support, and below that we may see a stronger drop. Take your positions accordingly, trade accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss, and do keep shifting your stop loss to cost every time. Trade accordingly, trade profitably. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you very much. Have a great day.